Here's how to scrape details of a post in Instagram with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Instagram scraper from Nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on details of a post. As you can see, we extracted this post details. To extract more, simply press on a different post. And there you go. Now, press on the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you will find the data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now, to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Details of a post. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted.